Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to a new arts and crafts segment with Miss Cynthia and Akela. Today, they're going to be working on arts and crafts, working with Skittles, and they're going to be using the canvas board to draw a figure with string. So first, as you can see, Miss Cynthia is getting the Skittles. What you will need is a plate and some Skittles and some water. And what all you're going to do is you're going to line your Skittles along the plate. As you can see, Kayla is doing right here so carefully. This is an arts and crafts project that you can easily do at home. You can find these items cheap in your dollar store. So she's lining the Skittles all around the plate. It doesn't matter what kind of order you use, just as long as you create a circle around the plate. And you can use a big plate, a small plate, it does not matter. Just have fun with it. Now she's taking her time. She's very precise in what she's doing. And the whole object of this arts and crafts project is to create a rainbow. You have the red, the blue, the orange, the yellow, and the green, which are all the colors in the rainbow. As you can tell, she's having a good time doing this. This arts and crafts is fun for kids because they can eat candy as they go along, and Kayla was certainly eating a lot of candy. Now what they're going to do, since they have all of the Skittles all around the plate in a circle, she's going to fill a cup with water, and she's going to pour that water in the center of the Skittles. Pour it very slowly.
And you have to wait a little bit.
Yes.
And you have to let it sit for a while, and while it sits, all of the colors will begin to run together to create the rainbow.
Okay.
So they're going to let that sit for a few minutes to let the colors run, and while they're letting it sit, they're going to move on to the next arts and crafts, which is string art. What Miss Cynthia is getting ready to do, she has all different colors of the rainbow in cups. She uses acrylic paint for this, and she mixes it with water. She has red, yellow, green, and blue, I believe. I'm not sure if she had any purple, but you can use any color that you wish. And she's gonna take string. She cut string for as many colors that she had. You want to put on some gloves so that your hands won't get messy. Make sure you cover the surface that you're working on unless you're working outside. Keep your surface covered so your tables won't get messed up, because you know the little ones, they love to play with paint and it can get a little messy sometimes. So parents, make sure you cover those surfaces. So she's putting the gloves on, and now she's getting ready to take the string, and she's going to take the string and she's going to lay it across the canvas board in a straight line. And you can actually create any kind of design with the string that you want. You can lay the string any kind of way, but she's putting hers in a straight line. And as you can see, Akela is helping to line them up. And after she has all of her string in a straight line, she's going to begin taking the different colors of paint one by one and begin pouring it along the string. She's trying to make sure each string is straight. Okay. As you can see, she has her cup of paint in her hand. And she's going to take the paint and she's going to pour it along the first string. Each color has its own string, so she's pouring that paint directly on that string. And it's okay if it runs off of the string. Okay, and then she's going to take the next color and do the same thing with the second string. You can see she has purple as her first color. Her second color is blue. She's pouring that blue paint right along the string. And her next color, I'm not sure. Let's see what next color she uses. The next color that she uses looks like another color of blue. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty color, blue. It's like a Carolina blue color. And I believe her next color is going to be green. She's going to take that green paint and pour it along the next string. And her next color is going to be yellow. She's going to take that yellow paint and pour it along the next string. As I said, you can use any colors that you want, but I believe she's trying to create the colors of the rainbow in her art piece. And then her next color, I believe, is orange. And I believe this next color is red, I believe. I believe this is red. And she's removing one of the strings because she finally realizes that those are the only colors that she has. Yes, it's red. She's pouring red along the string. And what she's getting ready to do, she's getting ready to take a fork. But you can use any object that you want. And she's going to start at the top of the purple and she's going to drag it all the way down through those colors so that the colors can mix. And of course you could swirl it around if you want to create a design, but this is what she chose to do. Isn't this pretty? This is gorgeous. And there you have your string art. And you just let it sit and dry. And when it's dry, you can take it and you can hang it up on your wall or put it anywhere in the house that you would like to see it. And as you can see, our Skittle colors, they have mixed all together. Isn't that pretty? This is a very simple arts and crafts project that you can use with your kids at home. I hope that you enjoyed this project.